Alright, there goes a mark. Well, we've got some more done. We still have a long ways to go, but we're getting there. We've got some shelves hung up, already filling them up. Got our whiteboard back on, have our outlets back on, so we can actually plug some things in and use them. That will be quite handy. So the next video out, we're actually going to be making some stands. We need to make a stand, weld one up for our the drill press. We need to make one, the grinder and the buffer. So all those tools are going to be on this wall. I had a comment from a viewer on keeping the, oh shoot, help me out, keeping the buffer separate from the grinder. I think what I'll do is I'll put a cover on the buffer wheels, because he had a really good point. The grinder dust will get impregnated in the buffer wheel and end up scratching the stuff that we're trying to buff. That's a really good suggestion he had, but I still want to keep my finishing stuff kind of on this side, because this shelf here will be quite handy for clamping telescopic lights on to go over the work we have. But and I'm not putting the drill press back on a bench. It's a bench mounted drill press, but we're going to make a stand for it. Reason being is it destroys a workbench having the drill press on it in the metal shop. The shavings just go everywhere. And I'm really trying to avoid workbenches in this space. The workbench has always been a staple of mine for just stuff to collect, and we've talked about that before. But so anyway, that's where we're at. So we'll get, hopefully we'll get a couple stands made tomorrow night or in the next video. We'll see what happens. And just keep going. It's emptying out fast. I still have a lot of lumber to empty out of here. And I have a mouthy cat running around my legs right now. Well, at least he's killing mice. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I'll catch you on the next one.